You can use SPD by connecting it to a circuit breaker. Here is how to install. You cut cables to the required length and connect them through connection terminal with tools. So it needs experts and other materials like cables and connection terminals. We developed a directly connected SPD for the first time in the world so that you can save your time and costs as well as carbon release by a direct connection method through a busbar on surge-free SPD. The following video shows the installation comparison between DIN rail type SPD and that of directly connected type. First, DIN rail type SPD installation. You fix an SPD away from a circuit breaker and connect its line, neutral and earth terminal to the circuit breaker and a ground terminal with 5 cables. Next, directly connected SPD installation. You connect the SPD directly to the circuit breaker and to the ground terminal with just one cable. That's it. It is so simple, isn't it? You can understand why directly connected type not only saves your time and costs, but also reduces resources and carbon release after watching this video. Also, this directly connected SPD of surge-free has LED displays indicating current condition on its small body that makes it cost-effective. Thank you.